as an architect, as I look forward to the future and I think about the role that design of buildings and campuses will play in our sustainable future, it's not hard for me to imagine that some of the things that are very fundamental design drivers today might in a good way disappear. Clearly, the reliance upon the automobile for the students to commute to schools, for faculty to commute to schools, I hope that 20 or 30 years from now that's a non-issue. That we're commuting by walking, we're commuting by mass transit, we're commuting by fossil fuel-free vehicles. I could see that happening, that the vast amounts of space in our cities that are taken up by parking garages will actually diminish. That all of the energy that we waste sitting at traffic lights will diminish. I can easily see that happening over the next 20 to 30 years. I can see huge advances made in building skin technology, whether it's photovoltaics to harvest the energy produced by the sun and return it to the grid, or solar water heating. Right now there's a trade-off between the transparency of the glass and its energy performance, and over the next 20 to 30 years we can develop a glass that is very transparent, has a high degree of light transmittance, and yet still is able to control solar heat gain. Those would be advancements in our profession that I could very much see happening and I look forward to. I also think that environmental factors will begin to influence the forms of our buildings. Right now, buildings that are designed as environmental responses, that have a south facade that is different than the north facade, that have external solar controls, they're very didactic in the sense that they look like they're machines. And I think over time, as we become more sensitive to our environment around us, more aware of the environmental implications of building and using buildings, that type of architecture will become more accepted, more commonplace, and we as architects will learn to make it more beautiful so that when we employ those environmental strategies, the building doesn't look odd or peculiar, but instead it looks beautiful.